Okay, sixth graders, when you're doing problem solving with fractions, there are things in the problem that you can look for to help you decide whether you should use multiplication or whether you should use division when you're solving the problem. Okay? Generally speaking, if you are given a size of the piece that you're finding, in this example, each strand, it says, Dana makes a craft of braided ground pine. Okay? And she needs 3 strands of 5 3/4 feet in order to make the craft. So how many feet does she need in all? So what we're doing is we're reading this problem and we're trying to find out, is this something that I am starting with a large amount and figuring out how many groups I can make? Or am I given the size of the groups and trying to find the total amount? In this first one, you're trying to find the total amount, right?
Yeah.
And so, usually you use multiplication for that. She needs 3 strands, and each strand is 5 3/4 feet. Hello, Grace. Yay! What color did you get? Blue and green.
No, that's in a weird way.
Yeah.
Different.
Thank you.
Okay. So pay attention to this and we'll finish up this lesson in the recording, okay? 3 strands, and each one is 5 3/4 feet, right? That tells us that we're going to multiply 3 times 5 3/4 to get the answer. 3 times 5 3/4. How do you do 3 times 5 3/4? We just did this, right? To multiply fractions times fractions. So, Kaden?
You what is answer of? So you put 3 and put 3 over 1, and then you do 4 times 5, which is 20, and then plus 3, which is 23 over 4.
So then you have to do 3 over 1 times 23 over 4. Can we reduce this at all?
No.
No. So we'll just have to multiply. 23 times 3 is 9, 69. And 1 times 4 is 4. So do 69 divided by 4. 4 goes into 6 one time. Yes. Remainder 2. Bring down the 9. 4 goes into 29. 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Remainder 1. So it's 17 1/4 is the answer to what we've been doing. But what is the answer to the question? 17 1/4 what? Aiden?
Strands.
Strands. We're gonna need 17 1/4 strands. Reread the question. Aiden. Just the question.
How many feet does she need? 3, 5 3/4 feet.
What did we find? What number did we find? With all of our calculations.
Mixed
Well, I wrote it over here.
17 and 1/4.
And what does that mean? What answer is that?
So the feet is
Or not that she has, but that she needs. She needs 17 and 1/4 feet total. Now, what if she can't buy 1/4 of a foot? Then how many feet is she going to have to buy?
18.
18. Yep. Sometimes you have to go back and you have to reread the question in order to figure out what does this number even mean? We found this number when we did our calculations, but now, that was a long time ago. I've been doing calculations. Now, what is the answer? 17 and 1/4 feet. Okay? That's the total. We use multiplication to find it. Now, look at the second example. If you need to find out how many groups you can make, or the size of each group that you're making, when you're given a total, then you use division. So, Anna needs 3½ bunches of spinach to make a spinach pie that serves 6 people. How many bunches does she need to serve 24 people? So, we're given, we have to serve how many total? We're given the total, right?
24.
Yeah. We're given a total of 24 people. And we're given that 3½ bunches equals what? 6 people. 3½ equals 6 people. Right? And so, how many bunches are needed?
4.
4 bunches.
Yeah.
And if we did 24 divided by 6, you'll get 4 bunches, right? Yep. So, in this case, we know the total, and we know how big each part needs to be. And using those numbers, you can find the answer. Okay? Any questions on that? So with this one, we're given the total, we're dividing it by 6. And this one, we're given the part, and we're trying to find the total. Okay? Now, let's see. Your assignment is on page 185. And I want you to do 4, 5, 6, and 7. Using the chart on page 185. 4, 5, 6, and 7.